Hi, this is Kajol and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
We have with us Kajol, who loves to call herself as Kajol Dilwali, and we'll find out more about that. Ma'am, huge pleasure to have you on Bollywood Hungama first of all.
Thank you.
And why do you like calling yourself as Kajol Dilwali these days?
I think because of the movie, honestly. I think we're all Dilwale in the film.
Right.
और the whole film is about that. Picture का जो main theme है वही उसके बारे में है, and Dilwale are those people who have the biggest heart and have the ability to forgive, which to my way of thinking you have to be a saint to do that on a daily basis. So
Sure.
yeah.
Now, ma'am, many a times these days we keep on hearing these things that there was Tamasha releasing recently, and Ranbir and Deepika were asked that it's being said that you have the same chemistry as Shah Rukh and Kajol, and Varun and Kriti are being said the same thing as well. Somewhere, do you feel that it has become like a huge yardstick in terms of that कि अगर chemistry हो तो काजोल और शाहरुख खान जैसी हो, नहीं तो नहीं होनी चाहिए.
Wow, मुझे हो तो नत्थू लाल जैसी हो वरना ना हो.
Taking from that only.
Basically, well, it's great for comparison basis.
जी.
But I don't think Shah Rukh and me have ever sat down to discuss it. या हमने कभी we have never thought about it in so much great detail or anything like that. We have great fun working together. हमें बड़ा मजा आता है काम करते वक्त, और हम पिक्चरें भी करते हैं तो ये सोच के नहीं करते कि ये हमारी केमिस्ट्री के हिसाब से या ब्रांड के हिसाब से होगा अच्छा या नहीं होगा. तो आई थिंक it's very from film to film. There are lots of films that we've refused together, that he's agreed to and I haven't agreed to, or that I've I've agreed to and he hasn't agreed to. Okay. So I think our opinions come together only once in 5 years every time. So.
In fact, I think since the last 3-4 months, you guys have been, I think, having a lot of attraction together as well, because of the fact that the entire DDLJ 20 years, the way it happened this year, and the sort of response it has got on Twitter, I think has been humongous. It's being called as one of the most talked about events.
Honestly,
of the year.
I think the DDLJ, like we say, DDLJ might have belonged to us at one point, maybe for the first 2 weeks or maybe for the first 4 weeks. शायद उस वक्त वो हमारी पिक्चर कहीं जा सकती थी
जी.
लेकिन जिस हिसाब से पिछले 20 साल से चल रही है, I don't think that credit or that belongs to us anymore. That belongs to all those people who have gone there, who have made it a tourist attraction, who have made it a religion and a ritual in their families, who
Absolutely.
have decided that DDLJ is this awesome film, and who have connected to it in such a deep and amazing manner. So I don't think we can take credit for DDLJ, honestly.
Still, I think many of the way people still relate to Raj and Simran, I think it's simply outstanding, and I have seen it in Maratha Mandir many times, honestly.
Wow.
And each time, I think the beauty of this film is that each time that you watch it, it seems like you're watching it for the first time somewhere. Now, as far as Dilwale is concerned, since we are not talking about DDLJ and we're supposed to talk about
and
Dilwale.
let me just tell you, it's not DDLJ part 2 or any part whatsoever. So yes, एक word उसका same है, लेकिन the rest of the film is completely different.
Now, ma'am, the entire grandness of Gerua and Janam Janam, the sort of chemistry that you guys are having in both these songs, especially I think in Janam Janam, I think it's beautifully shot. Gerua has that entire bigness of Suraj Hua Madham and all these. How was your experience of just getting into those songs and the most talked about songs of the year, Sama?
Honestly, I love shooting songs. I love them, especially if I like the song. I like shooting it even more because I'm one of those people who listens to a song on loop when I like it a lot, and shooting a song is a lot like that. So I have had a great time. I love Janam Janam. I think Janam Janam is my favorite song in the entire film.
Right.
And of course Gerua, but Janam Janam is my top favorite. And I had a great time shooting for it. Actually, we shot on a beautiful set that was made up like this, kind of like this church, had a little, gothic feel to it.
Ji.
And we shot a little portion of it in the rain as well, which was lovely. And we shot, where else did we shoot for Janam Janam? I think we shot a little bit in Iceland also, which got cut.
अच्छा, it did.
But हाँ, हमने सब जगह जन्म जन्म की शूटिंग कर ली है.
Okay.
डिसाइड किया इसको ही रखने के लिए, लेकिन जगह हमने बहुत कोशिश की, यहाँ पे भी शूटिंग कर लो, वहाँ पे भी शूटिंग कर लो. So Janam Janam is lovely. We've got lots of versions of Janam Janam.
जी.
We've got an EDM version, we've got a blues version. So it's amazing that one song can be transformed in so many different ways, and each one is different and each one is fantastic in its own way. So I love the song, honestly.
Now, you and Mr. Khan have shot in many countries various songs and various movies. As far as Dilwale is concerned, Bulgaria and Iceland are I think the two countries that you've shot for over here. So, how was this experience different from what you've done in the past, ma'am?
Oh, well, it's a different country. I think Bulgaria is one of the nicest places that we could have shot in.
Sure.
It's one of those places that we discovered recently, and it's amazing that it has a complete infrastructure of films already. So when you go over there, you have equipment, you have lights, you have people. So it's already there. The setup is already there. The infrastructure, as they put it, is already there. So it was very easy and to shoot for it. They have their own very thriving film industry.
Bilkul.
So it's one of those places that was amazing to shoot, and the people were lovely. They were generous. They were wonderful. Food was fantastic.
Right.
Iceland, on the other hand, was very dramatic, barren, very much about the volcanoes. And we saw, I think, something like 13 rainbows in the 6 days that we were there.
Right.
So it's called the Land of Rainbows, and it's one of those amazingly beautiful places that you cannot believe exist on Earth. Honestly, तो हमें हमेशा लगता था कि अरे ऐसी भी जगह हो सकती है, ये भी देख लिया, वो भी देख लिया, और जहाँ पे भी कैमरा रखो लगता था कि अरे this is a fantastic place. यहाँ पे अगर शूटिंग करेंगे ना तो mind blowing होगा.
There's a friend of mine. He told me that when I see the songs of say especially Janam Janam and Gerua Sama, to me it seems as if कुछ कुछ होता है, कभी खुशी कभी गम. The time hasn't gone anywhere, and Kajol somewhere looks still the same. So, ma'am, how have you? Because in fact, we were talking to Varun and Kriti the other day, and I think you are looking amazing, ma'am. I'm being very honest about it. The way you have the entire styling and everything, I think has been fabulous. So, who has styled you, and what?
Well, Manish has done the clothes for the film.
Ji.
Yes, we have put in a lot of effort to make the film, to make my character per se, Meera's character, look a certain way. There is a certain flashback portion, there is a certain later portion. So we've worked on kind of making the differences definitely there, but subtle enough so that it looks like the same person. ऐसा नहीं है कि short wig है और लंबी wig है. So we have tried to make it not so obvious, and at the same time, try to make it definitely different and complete. So I hope we've succeeded. आप picture देखो और मुझे बताओ कि whether it is worked or not.
बिल्कुल. Ma'am, you've said in an interview that I took Dilwale up as a challenge. I wanted to get out of my comfort zone for the film. People consider me an emotional actress, but here was my chance to be part of not only car chase sequences, but also of cars flying in the air. My son only likes the zooming car parts in the film, while my daughter thinks that being part of the Golmaal franchise was the best thing that her father did in his career.
Right.
So somewhere you've done it for your children. In a way.
They were what convinced me eventually, but honestly, yes, most important for me is the script. Most important for me is my character. I would not have done it if I did not think that script अच्छी नहीं थी और मेरा character अच्छा नहीं था या मेरा किरदार अच्छा नहीं था या उसको was not getting if I felt that the character did not work for me per se. Whenever I look at a script, I always think that there has to be something in that character that I can own, that I can bring out, जो मैं अपनी तरीके से बदल के लोगों को दिखा सकूं.
बिल्कुल.
तो I was of course very comfortable with Rohit. I've known him for a very long time, and Shahrukh was producing and acting in the film. So I was kind of in my comfort zone and definitely out of my comfort zone as well.
Absolutely. Ma'am, you've also said in another interview that my favorite film with Shahrukh is Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Yeah.
Why do you say that?
I said that because honestly, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, I have had the maximum fun in. We had a great time working on the sets of Kuch Kuch. We had this, I don't know, it was just magical. We just had so much fun. Karan was there, Manish was there, Hero Auntie was there, my mother was there, Yash Uncle was there. So it was just a combination of the best people together. We had a great time. Karan had put up this beautiful set in Ooty that at that time was like ridiculously expensive. और vans थे उस वक्त, मैं बता दूँ. तो vanity vans थे उस वक्त, और we just had such a good time. We played cards, we cracked jokes, we all ate together, we sat together. It was just one of those beautiful films that I have so many memories attached to, honestly.
Great. We are having a bit of a rapid fire section,
right.
Which is I'm sure that you'll enjoy it. The first one is Manma kaun sa emotion jage when I say the following. Ajay Devgan.
Ajay Devgan. मनमा कौन सा इमोशन जागे? मनमा लव जागे.
Okay. DDLJ.
DDLJ. 20 साल जागे. 20 साल बाद जागे.
Karan Johar.
Karan Johar. Friend. Love.
Okay, and Shah Rukh Khan.
Again, friend. Lots of good memories attached to him. Yes.
Fantastic, ma'am. What would you do if you turn?
Actually, Shah Rukh Khan में मनमा producer जागे.
Manna producer. So he's a good producer.
Yeah, he was a superb producer. He really was.
What would you do if you turn into the following for 24 hours?
Oh, I hate this one. चलो, अब कोशिश करती हूँ.
Aditya Chopra.
If I turned into Aditya Chopra for 24 hours?
Yeah.
If I turn into Aditya Chopra for 24 hours, well, I would play with my baby right now. I think he's just had a baby girl,
Yeah,
hasn't he?
that's
Yeah,
true.
so yeah. I think maybe Adi should turn into me for 24 hours.
Rohit Shetty.
Rohit Shetty? If I turn into Rohit Shetty for 24 hours, I don't know. I don't know what I would do. साड़ियाँ उड़ाऊंगी. साड़ियाँ उड़ा के थक गई मैं. अभी साड़ियाँ उड़ाऊंगी.
Varun Dhawan.
Varun Dhawan is the original Manma, I think. Varun Dhawan, I think I would give a dance class.
Okay, alright. Most Dilwala person in the industry is, ma'am, according to you?
Most Dilwala person in the industry. I don't know about, our film industry, I feel, is full of Dilwale लोग.
जी.
आपको अगर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में का एक हिस्सा होना है तो आपको एक तरीके से दिलवाला होना ही पड़ता है.
बिल्कुल.
और अगर आपको पिक्चरें बनानी है तो आपको डेफिनेटली दिलवाला होना पड़ता है क्योंकि this is not a business for business people. This is a business for madmen who believe and have a passion for movies and who believe that movies should be made. I think यहाँ पे कोई जो है नॉर्मल नहीं है. कोई जो है, if you're normal, if you're level headed, if you're very correct and proper, it will be very difficult for you to last in the film industry.
Any names you'd like to
I think everybody in the film industry, you talk about all these guys, whether it be Shah Rukh, whether it be Ajay, whether it be Sunny, whether it be every one of these people, even where the producers are concerned, even all the production companies, the production houses that we have today, I mean, सब जो हैं बिल्कुल दिलवाए. जैसे मैंने कहा, it's not a business for normal, sane, rational people at all.
What is Nisa's most favorite Kajol film?
My daughter doesn't watch my films. So I'm hoping दिलवाले के साथ trend शुरू होगा कि वो एक तो picture देख ले मेरी.
Okay. If you would like to give one piece of advice to the following people, what would you like to give them? Kriti, if you like to.
मैं generally advice देती नहीं हूँ.
Okay.
क्योंकि मुझे नहीं लगता कि advice देना बहुत it's not a very interesting job, A for one.
Right.
And I don't think it's fun to give advice.
But
so
hypothetically, if you would like to maybe.
Hypothetically नहीं होता है मेरे साथ. Hypothetically, what will I give her, Kriti, advice? What advice should I give Kriti? Kriti, I think जब लंबी पैदा हुई थी तो she should have taken short growth hormone.
And Varun, if you like to give.
Varun, he should have taken tall growth hormone.
SRK, if you would like to give.
I would not give SRK any advice. Thank you very much.
Rohit Shetty.
रोहित शेट्टी को रोहित शेट्टी को क्या एडवाइस दूं? मैंने काफी एडवाइस पिक्चर के दौरान दे दी एक्चुअली, जो भी एडवाइस देनी थी उसको.
Ma'am, we've taken a few questions from your fans on Twitter, so if you'll take a few of them. This is San from Saudi Arabia. He or she is saying that if she can take one thing from SRK, what would it be? If you would like to take one thing from SRK, what would it be?
If I take one thing from him, I think I would take his ability to think and plan so far ahead.
Great. This is Madiha Khan from Nangarhar, Afghanistan. Ask Kajol, when will she work with Salman in future?
When will I work with Salman? I don't know. I think we're supposed to go on Big Boss. फिर पता चल जाएगा काम कर सकते हैं एक साथ कि नहीं.
So when are you ma'am going on?
I don't know. I'm supposed to go. I'm supposed to go on Big Boss. Let's see if it works out or not.
All right. Okay, this is Fatima from Spain. What do you remember the most from the shooting of Dilwale?
What do I remember the most? I remember a lot actually from Dilwale. It's one of those films that's kind of stayed in my head for obvious reasons. But I think we were all very very new at that time, and one of the few things that's really stayed in my head has been the Switzerland schedule. क्योंकि जब हम स्विट्जरलैंड गए थे उस वक्त तो सब एक साथ बस में बैठे थे, सब हम लोगों ने सब कुछ एक साथ किया, छोटे से जगह में रहे. We stayed in a little village called Sanirhof.
That is for DDLJ or Dilwale?
DDLJ.
She's asked about Dilwale.
Sorry.
Right. Okay.
Okay, for Dilwale, the one thing that I will take back with me, one memory. Again, I don't know because I've had a great time. I had a great time in Bulgaria. I had a fantastic time in Hyderabad. I had a superb time in Iceland. But the one memory that I will take back of a place would be of Iceland, because I honestly thought it was one of the most amazing places that I would probably never have visited if not for the film.
Fantastic. Ma'am, this is Upuli from Sri Lanka. What is the one thing you loved about the story of Dilwale?
What is the one thing that I loved? I think I loved the love story, honestly, between Shah Rukh and me. I loved the scenes, and that's really honestly why I did. I loved my character of Meera. I liked his character, so I liked the whole track put together. Yeah. And
the dialogue bazi somewhere that is happening between the two of you. I think there's a lot of intensity in that somewhere.
Yes, there is definitely, and yeah. So as Rohit would like to call it, it's the Fast and Furious love story.
Okay. Ma'am, this is Fennel from Mumbai. Will she do a cameo in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil the way she did in Kejo's Kank and SOTY?
Is that what it's called? I thought it was one shot. I don't know, honestly. I really don't know. It depends.
He considers you his lucky charm.
Yeah, he does. No, he hasn't contacted me so far, so I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe yes. We'll see.
Alright, this is Yash from USA. How does it feel to be working with SRK after 5 years? Same chemistry, or is there anything that has changed?
The good part about SRK is that on sets he hasn't changed at all, and as a person, of course, we've had great fun together. We chill together, so he's a really good friend off screen as well. So no, nothing has changed on screen. I don't think so, at least.
This is Ramisha from London, ma'am. How come you are aging backwards? What is your secret?
What is my secret? I think age really is a number. I think when you talk about aging, somewhere down the line, you see it in people's eyes more than the wrinkles on their face or the lines on their face. So I think when there's life in front of you, that is considered youth.
And the fact that I think you laugh, I think आपकी जो हंसी होती है बहुत ही ज़्यादा जिंदा दिल की होती है. In fact, अभी आप यहाँ पर थी and we were there.
मजे कर रही थी मैं.
जी तो.
इस प्रमोशन में मुझे कुछ मिल गया मजे करने के लिए.
I believe laughter definitely. Laughter definitely,
but I think it's an interest in life. एक दिलचस्पी होनी चाहिए आपको जिंदा रहने में और चीजें करने में. You have to enjoy your work and enjoy your life, whatever it may be. Absolutely. Even if you're in a boring 9-to-5 job, I think if you find something nice about your day, about your life and about your job to enjoy, thank God every day. I do. I thank God every day I am grateful every day for what I have. And yes, everybody has issues in their life and everybody has problems in their life. But the more you think about your problems, the bigger they become.
Yeah,
honestly.
Absolutely.
तो जितना बढ़ावा मत दो, इतना भाव मत दो अपने प्रॉब्लम को.
जी बिल्कुल.
अच्छी चीजों को भाव दो कि हाय मैं आज बहुत अच्छी लग रही हूँ. अरे मेरे बाल तो बहुत ही अच्छे लग रहे हैं. मेरा फिगर तो माइंड ब्लोइंग लग रहा है आज.
I believe you read a lot, ma'am.
I do.
Somewhere you feel that reading is something that surely helps in terms of getting evolved somewhere. And
I don't read self-help books. मैं बता दूँ.
No, not like that.
But I don't like the fact that anybody should tell me how to live my life.
Right.
कोई मुझे बता नहीं सकता कि मुझे अपनी जिंदगी कैसे जीनी है. मैं believe ही नहीं कर सकती और मैं agree भी नहीं कर सकती.
No, ma'am, reading in the sense that any sort of reading, it can be novels, it can be anything.
Habit.
In terms of something food for the mind somewhere.
It's food for the mind, and it's like they say, you're never alone if you have a book with you.
बिल्कुल.
So I think it's one of those feelings that you have that you're always comfortable with your own company. You like your own company somewhere down the line.
Absolutely.
So I can spend hours all by myself sitting and rereading my library, as they put it.
Fantastic. Ma'am, this is Shehla from Sri Lanka. Is there any funny nickname you'd like to give to SRK?
Is there any funny nickname?
Would you like to give any nickname to?
कितने nickname हो गए उसको? King Khan, weird name. King of Romance, King of Bollywood, SRK, कितने हो गए उसके? I can't add anyone to that big fat pile that he already has.
Okay, ma'am, this is Teresa.
भाई.
Teresa from Austria. If you can describe SRK, Varun and Kriti in one word.
If I can describe them.
SRK, if you like.
No, एक साथ.
नहीं, एक साथ नहीं. एक एक करके. जी, SRK.
Conscientious.
Varun, okay.
Kriti, hardworking. And SRK, maniac.
Okay.
Workaholic maniac. Can I put two words to him? Workaholic maniac. And don't ask me to describe myself.
No, absolutely. Absolutely. This is Mustafa Rashid from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Are you planning to pick up more projects after this? A lot of your fans have been asking this.
Well, we have got one film on Flaws, one film which we have got planned in ADF. So,
yes.
So hopefully that will start rolling next year. So touch wood, wherever the wood is.
Right. And you're doing something with Ram Madhwani as well.
I was supposed to be doing something with Ram Madhwani, but no, that script per se did not work out.
So
okay. We decided to cancel it at that point.
Okay, this is Arvind from Vancouver, Canada. How different is Rohit Shetty compared to the other directors that you have worked with so far?
He's very, very different, and at the same time pretty much the same. He's very organized. He's very safe because we've got a lot of stunts and a lot of action in the film.
Bilkul.
He's very open at the same time. So अगर shot planned है और अगर मैं आऊँ और बोलूँ कि नहीं, I think we should do it like this, or whatever. I think I would like to put my character here or whatever. So he's very open that way. Yeah, whatever you want, however you want to work it. He'll work his technique around us as actors. So in that sense, he's not very different. But I think in terms of cinema, yes, of course, he has very much his own brand of filmmaking, his own style of filmmaking, and that is very, very different from all the other directors and things that we've worked with.
Ji. Ma'am, this is Frost from USA. Do you watch SRK films that are not starring you? If you can give any examples.
I don't watch films starring me also.
Okay. So which are the films that you have not watched starring you? Yourself?
I have not watched. I watched them only at the trial or whatever, but I never sit down with a DVD और चलो ये picture थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देख लेते हैं. वो नहीं होता है मेरे से. If I have a choice between reading a book, see, if Dilwale was a book, I would have put it in my library. But since it will be a movie and a DVD, I don't know whether I'll put it in my library.
Alright. Ma'am, this is Beatrice from Zurich. Dear Kajol, if you could have 3 wishes fulfilled, what would it be?
If I had
3 wishes. Ji.
Are we speaking about world level wishes, or are we speaking about my wishes?
Whatever comes to your mind, ma'am.
Well, my first wish would have to be for my kids and my family to be happy and healthy. वो तो होगा ही होगा.
जी बिल्कुल.
बिल्कुल. My second wish would be to, I think, I don't want to in any event outlive my children.
My God, okay.
That would have to be my second wish. And my third wish would be, let me be frivolous.
Let me be frivolous.
Let me be frivolous. No, not to be, let me be frivolous.
Okay.
My wish will be frivolous.
Okay.
My wish will be, see, I can't wish for world peace after that. My third wish would be, honestly, let me just, if you're asking me for 3 wishes, that's one thing that I would like to wish for. I would wish for the world to find its balance. I would wish for all the countries around the world to find their balance and to work in harmony with each other for the sake of the planet.
Fantastic. Ma'am, this is Sarah from Saudi Arabia. If you have to pick one Indian film to show to someone who has never heard of Bollywood, what would that film be?
मेरी पिक्चर दिखाऊंगी उसको. मैं थोड़ी ना किसी और की पिक्चर दिखाऊंगी उसको.
कौन सी फिल्म आप अपनी कौन सी फिल्म दिखाएंगे आप?
I don't know actually. I think I'd show them maybe कुछ होता है. Or maybe maybe Yumi or Hum.
Yumi or Hum. Frankly, I think it was a very good film.
So maybe Yumi
it was
or Hum.
An excellent film.
I think I'd show them if I had to show a film of mine.
Right.
That was part of that how I would want to introduce Bollywood to them. Yes, maybe Yumi or Hum.
And it has a social cause as well. Do you strongly feel, ma'am, that Kuch Kuch Hota Hai is the best film that Karan Johar has directed so far?
What is my favorite film?
Right.
I don't know. As taken as a panel of films, yes, it's my favorite film of his, definitely.
Right. Ma'am, last question. This is Mansoor Hafiz from London, UK. Hey Kajol, why are you doing less
I
films?
think his name is Mansoor.
Actually, it is MNSOOR. तो मंसूर होना चाहिए वैसे, but A missing है उसके अंदर. So, but I think you're right. Do you know him?
No.
Okay, I think it is Mansoor. His surname is his Twitter name is I am Mansoor. So it is Mansoor Hafiz from London, UK. Hey Kajol, why are you doing less films, especially when you are looking smoking hot in Dilwale?
Thank you so much, Mansoor. Honestly, that's probably the reason why I'm looking smoking hot, because I'm not doing that many films. So you should be grateful for it, honestly. Also, I think that I don't believe I want to work in 3 films a year. I don't think that it will make me happy. And I think what makes me happy is what makes me look hot.
Fantastic, fantastic. Ma'am, it was a huge pleasure talking to you, and you know, there was a wide spectrum of emotions that you've displayed in this conversation. Having seen your movies, and it was really fascinating talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.